guys, and welcome back to today's video. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I bring with me in my carry-on purse. I'm actually about to go on a flight to New York for an interview that I have tomorrow, so really excited. But I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to show you guys what I bring with me in like my carry-on bag. I love watching these videos here on YouTube. I think it's really interesting seeing what people bring. Obviously, because I am only going for an overnight trip and for an interview, the things that I have are a little bit different, but it still is like the same bag that I bring, and most of the items are pretty similar, so I figured I would just share with you guys today. So if you guys are interested in hearing about what I bring, then just keep on watching. But first things first, let's talk about the bag. So I have shown this bag on my channel before, I think. It is my Vera Bradley tote bag, and then I just have this cute little Vera Bradley actually, I think it's like a bandana-ish kind of thing on it, just to kind of give it some color. But I have, I think, mentioned this bag before, and it's my absolute favorite like travel, school, everything bag, honestly. Like, it's amazing. I've had one in the past with like their actual pattern, and that one lasted me like 4 years all throughout high school, and I just absolutely loved it. You can fit so much. It has a lot of pockets and compartments, and it was honestly super affordable too. Like, I always get them at the outlet store, so I want to say I spent under $40 on this bag, which is crazy. This one that I currently have is just like a black solid pattern, and I find with their solids that the material is a little bit thicker, so I feel like this bag is gonna hold up even longer for me, which is amazing. But yeah, so it is a pretty big size bag, but I obviously need that when I'm traveling and for school and stuff like that. So the bag has two pockets on the outside, one that's just open and you can slip your hand in. So in here I keep earbuds. I have one for my phone with the new outlet thingy, and then the one for my laptop with the old one, because I always lose that little piece, so I just have both. And then the back one has a zipper pocket, but I don't have anything in that one currently. Okay, when you open it up, first things first, I have this with me, and I don't always have this with me, so this is just because of my interview tomorrow, but it's just my portfolio. If you guys are interested in one like this, mine's magnetic, and then when you open it up, it just has like a pad, a slot for my resumes and business cards here. I got this off Amazon for like under $15, so I will try and find it and link it below if you're interested. But then I just have my laptop, and this case is also from Vera Bradley. I've had this now for like 3 or 4 years, and I love it. It's really protective, it's padded, I love the pattern. And yeah, I got this at the outlet store as well, probably under 20 bucks. So really, really good. Just have my laptop and like the charger in here and stuff like that. Because I am like technically in school while I'm going on this trip, I have to have my laptop accessible, but I usually always travel with my laptop anyway, just to do work and stuff like that. Alright, since I'm going to New York and it's gonna be cold, I'm gonna bring a scarf with me, but I usually bring scarves anyway. I like to use them as like a blanket, so if I get cold, I'll just like put it on me, because sometimes I get cold on the plane. So it's a great way to be like a blanket slash scarf, but when I get off, obviously I'll wear it like as a scarf. I kind of want to wear it for the rest of this video. Okay, moving on, I figured this would be the fun thing to show. So this is my makeup bag slash like toiletries and stuff. Again, it's only a one-day trip, so normally I'd have a little bit more, but I still have a lot in here, so I figured I'd share with you. This bag, I don't know where it's from. I know I got it from TJ Maxx though, and I like it because it's really easy to clean, and there's a front compartment and the back compartment, just has a lot of space to it. In this front one here, I just have some ibuprofen, a little face wash, and some toothpaste and bobby pins, so nothing too crazy in the front. And then in the big compartment, as you can see, it fits a ton of stuff, so I figured I'd just quickly go through. I have deodorant, I have my MAC eyeshadow palette, it has so many colors, birth control, I have a mini wet brush, mascara. I'm not going to show you guys everything, but I will show you guys like a couple of the main things. I'm bringing my Wet n Wild foundation. I've got some tampons. This is my favorite lip gloss. It's the Fenty Beauty one in Fenty Glow. This was the original one. So pretty. It makes your lips look super plumped and huge. My mascara I've been using is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Throwback Thursday. Oh, another throwback. I'm actually wearing it right now. This is Milani's Luminoso blush. I've been obsessing over that again recently. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Love to touch up with that. I have a beauty blender. a toothbrush, and just like a ton of brushes. So nothing too crazy actually, just like the basics. Because I'm doing an interview, I'm not gonna be wearing too much makeup tomorrow, so those are just kind of like the things that I kind of need to put on. Okay, and then I wanted to show you guys, hopefully you'll see in the video, I don't know if it'll be too bright, but the bag itself has so many compartments. There's 2 big ones in the middle, and then there's 4 others on the side. So you can fit so much stuff in here, it's insane. I didn't really bring too much this time. I just have some pens so I can like take notes tomorrow during my interview. I brought some gum. I love chewing gum on the plane. It helps with my ear popping. Fun fact. I have a tea bag, not really sure why. Maybe if there's water in the hotel, like I can make some tea or something. I feel like this might have been a really boring video because that is all that's in my bag. That's really embarrassing. So normally though, like if I'm doing a longer trip, I don't really carry much else in there. I try to make it as light as possible. It can be hard sometimes. But if I do have a longer trip, a lot of times I'll bring a book. I actually did bring one. It's in my actual carry-on bag though. I brought You Are a Badass. I never finished that book, so I figured I would finish it during this trip if I have some time. Normally I do keep it in my actual bag, but for this current trip I have a lot of layovers and they're gonna be short flights, so I probably won't be reading, and I get really nauseous when I read when I'm moving, so probably won't be doing that. But I usually keep a book in there. Obviously I'm gonna have my wallet, which is over there at the moment, but I like to keep it in there so it's easy to like show my ID and everything when I'm going through security. My keys are usually in my bag, which they will be. I don't usually travel with like food or water just because I like hate the process of like sometimes they let me take it, sometimes they don't. So normally I'll just like get a snack or something when I get to the airport and then get like a water when I'm on the plane. So that's that. And yeah, that is everything that's in my carry-on bag. This video is a lot shorter than I intended, but maybe that's a good thing. If you guys enjoy this, be sure to subscribe down below. I post videos usually about beauty related things, my lifestyle, and college. So if you guys are into college videos, I am a student at FSU and I will be posting a lot more like days in my life and things like that. So be sure to subscribe, and I will leave my social medias down below. So be sure to follow me on there as well. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.